Ka kenhun jengki hati klau ki bodon kumba khat santli ai kat kum ka jithu jengki trashnong ki lalej ban penjot ya ki yeng kisam bat ki jingdon jing em jengki khat artli ki long yeng jong ka snong kala pahar south west Kasils district habai de bat kani ka jingja ki nong shong snong jong ka snong kala pahar kilai thu ba kani ka jingwan penjot jengki hati kala ja ha ki armiet kata ha kamet jong ka shpu tarik bat kamet jong ka khatwei tarik ha kani ka jingja ki don ki yeng ki blasha penjulor buon bat ki don ru ki blasha penjulor tang khandian wala ka jingdu kalong ka bakrau kini kilong yeng handrai umsam ladan pat kinu kijingja ki basungsi kini kilong yeng ki brasa khata menta kila haban susa no sipor ha committee hall jong kasnong hakne si lai don kadru SDO jong karenikol civil subdivision ba HS dingdo u video jong karenikol CNRD block ba LGM kharmi harnkat ka jingasana nang jong katrat pulen habai dei bat kini kijingja na kalyang jong meli jong katha ba pius maroin ula hiar sha kate kasnong menta ka si banit jongo bat ai jingrap yakite kilong yeng ki brasa khata
kali kejijia kada hakas miet jong kada kas new play te kiwan ki hati khlau te ki suwan bai ben penjot ya kini ki yeng ki sem kumba phila I dala jong khmat ba hangne ki la penpra ya ki yeng ki sem ki la ratlut ya ki bro ki ter kitar te sudon bok ba na kaliang ki nong song hangne kim don ki ba mansau lene kono ka jingja ka ba kongsi te kidon hado angni kidon arfau lai ne arfau teli kilong yeng te khat arteli kumba phila I jor jong khmat ki bala do la long no dan yesu la pralut kidon bar kano katokan ne teli kilong yeng ki pasu jot malumala te nak yang ga jong ngahi rengkat bat na yang ki department abangi la esko no to sngi la pente purwot sya ki yang ki bor badai pek hantam ya ka wildlife daerah kalian jong kiru namar kalong ka ba jingai ben poi buat hakani ka nong te kilawan te nganget ba na kalian jong kiru kinle ya ka benokam te habar ya dai pat berkini ki kisam te yang ni ya don video don sibil SDO ba na kalian jong kiru kin sa ya ka report sa ka government namar kane kalong fili ila ka jingjot ba ya menta kamut lajot lut don isu te nganget ba napo ka disaster management napo ki revenue kin pelai keloi trai ban yarap ya kini ka snong ya kini kilong yeng benda kali ka jongaru harian hang tu hing ba ngala ya sngon war ki brio ki la phetlot ki la sa si jaka tem don su jaka sa dan chan don nep don marbam don mardi su na liang do office video la poi ya ki marbam la do la na kali ka jong iru la yarap bud hi na kali ka sarkar bet na kali ka jongaru ngala yarap hi hang tu kisngi marsenja bet hakani kasngiru nga la I ba kaye ka sem don sho te nakle ka jongaru nga la I ya sisa ya kata ka jing don kam kompini por kalong ko kam ka kerki te nakle jonga nga la ra hi ki jin kam kom kitir par khaw ki jingirap ka ba sipor bangengit ba ka khambun ba benyo byang ki yeng ki sem ki ba jingirap nakle ka department kin sale ya kam
Nakaliang ka Divisional Forest Officer Kasils Wildlife Division kalai thu ba ka jingwan jengki hati kala banlong nakadaw jong ka jingsa khang no jong ka lintia jongki
here right now our people are already here and we will do as per the procedure because there has been damage to property also, so this will be a joint inspection from the forest department and the revenue, and we will try to speed up the procedure of the compensation. It's as per the wildlife depredation, no? We will put up the papers and we'll speed up. We will be hand in hand with the revenue department in doing this.
What about the safety of the people you see now?
Because the wild animals, no, they are quite unpredictable, and like while we were coming from the Shillong, we could see that there are a lot of disturbances also. So, and I heard from here after coming there, like this has been a new record here, like depredation case. So it seems like they are spreading out, because maybe the corridors have been blocked. I have to identify the correct reason. So mostly it's about the security of the people. Again, we'll discuss with the people itself here, because they are the people from here. They know the movement and all. Then we will again together with the revenue, the police, and we will see how we can try to safeguard the people. We will be trying to safeguard people by using some firecrackers, so some deterrent, so that the elephants doesn't come near the habitation. That's the immediate thing. Yeah.